Hi guys, let's cook dinner together. Let's cook or let's make dinner together, whichever one it is. You just have to choose one, okay? Yes, so let's do this together. This video was shot on a Sunday and we came back from church very late that day. I think we came back around to 6, yes, and I wasn't able to cook during the weekend as I used to do. I usually cook stew or prepare something against Sunday. You guys understand how we do it in our Nigerian homes or African homes in general, and I'm one of those people that likes to cook my stew either on Friday or Saturday and store it either in my fridge or freezer depending on when I cooked it. If I did that on Friday, I might put it in the freezer, but if I did it on Saturday, I'll just put it in the fridge so that on Sunday, once we come back from church, we'll just bring it out from the fridge, warm it up, and boil some white rice and eat it with the stew. So but I was not able to do it during the weekend on the Sunday that I shot or I filmed this video. So because I wasn't able to do so, we went to church, came back very late. I was thinking of what to cook. I didn't know what to prepare, like something to quickly fix for us to eat because we were all tired, exhausted, and hungry as well. So we came back and munched on something else while I rested for some time before I then came back to the kitchen to start fixing this. So yeah, I think this noodles was the first thing that came to mind, and I was like, yes, thank goodness we have all that it takes to cook it, which is the ingredients. So I quickly came to the kitchen and started making this, and I was vlogging on that day. So this was a clip, or this is a clip from the video. I hope I explained well. I didn't really need to explain all of this, but yeah, whatever. So I have already sliced up my vegetables and I have already started cooking. As you can see, I added some butter in my saucepan, added some olive oil as well, and then I went in with my green onions or spring onions, whichever one you want to call it. Then after the spring onion, I went in with my mixed vegetables, which are my red, green, and yellow bell peppers. I also have cucumber there. I also have, I think I have fresh tomatoes there. Yes, I also have fresh tomatoes there, and I'm just going to let that fry for a bit. Now while that is frying, I'm going to parboil my noodles. This noodles is a very quick one, but it's packed with nutrients, like a lot of goodies in it, not just plain noodles, but I wanted to make it rich and healthy as well. You guys know that noodles are one of the junkiest food in the whole world, so if I'm making it for my family, I always like to incorporate some type of health to it. Does that make sense? Anyway, so here is the noodles. I parboiled for 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Yes, because I didn't want it mushy, soggy, and soft. No, I don't enjoy it that way. I like it separate, single, and yummy. You get? So I'm going to drain the water in the noodles and then run cold water over it so that it stops the noodles from cooking. Okay, because like I mentioned, I don't want it soft, too soft. So before I do that, I went back to check on my vegetables, stir it up a bit. As you can see, I'm cooking and cleaning because I like a clean kitchen. Yes, although sometimes my kitchen gets messy and I'm tired, I don't have the strength to clean it up, but when I can, and most of the time, I clean and cook as I go. So now it's time to drain out the water from the noodles. Remember, run cold water over the noodles so that it doesn't continue cooking and getting even softer and softer if you don't want it soggy and mushy. So right now I'm adding the Indomie seasonings, the seasonings that comes in the pack of the noodles. Yeah, so I just cut it up and add them into the vegetables. It's going to serve as my seasoning. Yes, I'm not going to be adding salt or seasoning cubes and all of that, just the Indomie seasoning, and that was enough for me. On that day, I think I made 8 packs of noodles for my family of 6. We are 6 in this family, so 8 was enough. So I used all the 8 packs of Indomie seasoning. So after adding that, I cracked in 4 eggs and then fried until the eggs were pretty much fried, both the eggs and the vegetables. Then I went in with the noodles, mixed everything up, and yeah, that was it, guys. It was very quick, super easy, simple and delicious. And then I added 1 full roasted chicken. Yeah, we are going to be sharing and tearing everything apart. So here is my portion. I'm going to give it a quick taste test for you guys, and that's it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, follow me, subscribe to my channel, and go try it out. You will love it. Stop eating plain noodles all the time. Most of the time, try to incorporate vegetables to it. That way you are not completely eating junk. You understand? Maybe once in a long while you can eat the plain one and eat it whichever junky way you choose to do it, but most of the time try to incorporate vegetables to it. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you all in my next video. Bye.